Afternoon, family. Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum. It's Sunday. Those two birds just got out through the Sputnik, which most of the time they don't never get out, but as young birds, they can do all kinds of stuff. But we're not going to worry too much about them. I had one bird that was left out. He flew in this morning. I went on, just opened the door, he went in, but I have not fed him, so we're going to let them out and see what they do. All right, we're gonna let them see what they do for a little bit. But I gotta go put a sweatshirt on. It's a little cool out here. Still get the birds out. They already made their crazy fly. Bunch of them all over the place. I counted roughly. I got 56 of them out here is what I counted on a rough number. Got a few on my roof up here. See if we can get them. Gonna leave them out for. They've been out for about an hour and a half. Its temperature out here is about. It's in the high 50s, but it ain't in no 60s. Yesterday was an 80-degree day. I got my sweatshirt on today. I had a t-shirt. No, I went and got the sweatshirt put on. Okay. Let's put you on pause again. They ain't going nowhere. Well, looks like they've been out for over 2 hours. I'm gonna go get some food and try to call them in and see. Oh, I got a few flying around. Let me go get some food. All right, let's see if we can get some food in them. Well, we got a few on the roof. You can see the one in the trap is just in the aviary. It's just stuck in the aviary. So we got to chase him out. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. I'm gonna drop that trap down right quick. All right, family, I think I got them all in except for I got one right there. Got two on the roof and I had one flying around. All right, that's about it. Let's close it up. Special shout out to Sean of TSG. Peace.